Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to create a number series in Dynamics 365. Okay, just search your menu with number series. Here you can see number series with administrator. Okay, just click on here. Okay, now the module is used to use mention or help with your number series or whatever the particular, suppose for item master, for a vendor, for a sales invoice, for a sales order, you can create here. Okay, here you can see your all existing number series which is already mentioned in dynamic 365. Now if you want to create any new number series for a order, for a sales order, for a purchase order, for a assembly order, okay, for any customization number series you can create here. Just click on new. Okay, for suppose we have to create a number series for sales order, then I just create this with SORD. Here is the description is sales order. It's for our reference only. Okay, so we can identify that SORD is used for sales order. Now click on starting number. Okay, so whenever you are click on starting number, it will show another window where you can mention from which date you have to create this number series. Like I have to create this number series from 1/4/2025 SORD underscore 00001. Now whenever you are creating any sales order from 1/4/2025, it will start your number series from this. Okay, and whenever you are creating any new order, it will incrementally add your data. Here you can check that your increment by one. So whenever you mention this one, it will increment by. You can also customize this with two or a three or a four. Okay, now you have to just close this. Here you can check that your sales order number series is already created. Okay, and you can also mention this number series as your default number. So whenever you mark your number series as a default and you map this number series for a particular module, for a, or a particular voucher, it will automatically assign a new number whenever new button is clicked. Okay. Now, if you want to change any existing number series, suppose here is a sales invoice number series, which you can see currently there is a SIN 2425. Okay. Now, suppose you have a new financial year and you want to reset your number series. Okay, just click here. Okay, for a sales invoice, just click on starting number. Okay, here you can see that your starting date for 1/4/2023 they mentioned 23/24. For 1/4/2024 they are used 24/25. Suppose now you have to create a new number series for 25/26 financial year. You just mention your date from 1/4/2025. You just have to mention SIN 25/26/00001 or whatever number series you want. Okay, so whenever any sales invoice which is created from 1/4/2025, the number series would be SIN 25/26/001. So with this method you can create your custom number series for any module or any voucher, or you can reset your number series also. Thank you for watching. Keep follow us.